Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these two different heart garlands. In the comments down below, let me know which garland is your favorite, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to some more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. The first garland I'm going to show you how to make is this really simple heart garland. Take two different sizes of a heart template and trace one template onto one color cardstock paper or scrapbook paper and the other template on another color of paper. You can make as many hearts as you want. Then you can cut out all of your hearts. The last thing you have to do is to tape all of the hearts into a pattern onto a piece of string, and then you can hang it up on a wall or wherever you would like. The second garland I'm going to show you how to make is a conversation heart garland. You want to print out some conversation hearts. You can make these by putting text over a colored heart on a program on your computer like Canva. Then you can cut out all of your conversation hearts. After you get all of your conversation hearts cut out, you want to take a hole puncher and punch 2 holes into the hearts. The last thing you have to do is to run a piece of string through the holes in the hearts, and then you can hang it up on your wall or wherever you would like. And that's how you make both of these garlands. In the comments down below, let me know which garland is your favorite, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to some more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!